What does this sign warn you about? Signal ahead. Which sign is two-way traffic? Number 1. What does this sign mean? A. Slippery road. B. Two-way road. C. Neither of the mentioned options. Neither. This is a winding road sign. How long after sunset must you turn on your headlights? A. 30 minutes. B. 60 minutes. C. 90 minutes. 30 minutes. True or false? Always use headlights in rain, even during the day. You should always use your headlights while it's raining. True or false? It's okay to run a red light if there's no traffic. False. It's never okay to drive through a red light even if there's no traffic. Using headlights helps you see better.